Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today I'm here to talk to you about a piece of kit that I highly endorse, and it's the Earth Pack, and it's their 40-liter dry bag. And for the top of this, it's set up really just super simple. It's just an opening, and you roll it up 3 to 4 times. There's the instructions on the pack, and you clip it, and that actually has been airtight for me, and I swim down the river with all of my shorts, wallet, cell phone, and everything inside of it. It's just a very standard little backpack. I found myself out at the river. I ordered this in June thinking that as the temperature started getting into the 112s, 117, 121, that I would do my run from the casinos up to the top of the dam, switch out my gear, and take out my mask, snorkel, fins, strap this on my back with all of my dry goods inside, and swim down the river 1.3 miles. So that's what I've been doing, but now it's September. The jet skis have just been too prevalent and too crazy on the river this summer. So it's after Labor Day weekend, and it's allowed me to do that. Back to the Earth Pack. Another thing they have is a water resistant pocket. If you weren't going to be actually in the water and you needed something that you wanted quick access to, they also sent me with this a phone waterproof case. So you could probably put your phone in that waterproof case in this, and that would give you quicker access other than having to unroll it. But for myself, running in with it, the run's been great with it. Of course, you don't need a dry bag really to stay dry during your run. But once I get down into the water, it's not really a hindrance. And the bright color really helps me to stay noticed on the river. Once again, the skis, they got a lot of new people on the skis, a lot of rentals, and a lot of people really not paying attention and doing a lot of donuts and crazy stuff on the river. So I like to kind of stay away from that. But the pack in the bright orange color or a bright yellow really helps out with that. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'm going to give this this pack, I'll go a straight 10 out of 10 because it doesn't leak. It suits my needs. I may have wanted to go with a little larger version, although it holds everything I have really well. I might have wanted to get the waist strap for it, although it doesn't bounce around a whole lot. And I wouldn't wear the waist strap when I would be in the flowing river. You can kind of see like how fast the water is moving right now, why I'm thinking about it. But one of the things about this pack is it allows me to do this where I would have had to wonder about what to do with my gear and everything. I just have everything with me. It stays dry and everything's wonderful. Why I'm thinking about it, I'm at adventure.athlete on Instagram too, if anyone wants to follow. If you haven't liked the channel, hit like and subscribe. I have a lot of product review videos coming up in the near future of stuff that I endorse for the Adventure Athlete series. Kayaks, running shoes, mountain bikes, electric bikes, and then we're coming into motorcycle and side-by-side season, so I have a lot of new stuff coming with that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of your views. I try to get back to every single comment the same day. I've been on the road this time for about 2 weeks, so I'm a little behind, but I will catch back up and get to answer every single person's questions, and I appreciate all those comments. I'd like to build a community so we can all become a little smarter and more educated on some of these products that we use. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Tim Roble, and I'll catch you here next time.